Good morning, or maybe afternoon for you. I wanted to go over the balancing equation page with you real quick and just give you a refresher on balancing equations. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at the equations at the bottom of the page. If they're balanced, you're going to cut them out and you're going to glue them underneath the frog that says balanced. And if they are not balanced, you're going to cut them out and glue them under the frog that says not balanced. So there's different. These last four boxes are for you to write your own not balanced equation and balanced equation. So really, a balanced equation just means, if you look down here, there is two math problems. There's 7 plus 3 and 5 plus 5. This is saying that 7 plus 3 is the same answer as 5 plus 5. So you can use a whiteboard or a scrap piece of paper to help you solve this, but the first thing that you have to do is figure out what is 7 plus 3. Well, I can use a paper or a whiteboard if I want to, but I'm also going to use you can also use your fingers. I'm going to use my fingers. So I'm going to say 7 in my head, and then I'm going to start counting on 7, 8, 9, 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Okay, so if I am afraid I'll forget, I can use a pencil to write a 10 underneath 7 plus 3. Okay, then 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is a double stacked. I know that that's 10, so I can write 10 right here. Does 10 equal 10? Yes, 10 is equal to 10. So this equation is balanced. I'm going to cut this square out and put it under the balanced frog. Balanced is just another way of saying true or equal to. If an equation is not balanced, that means that the first answer is not going to be the same number as the second answer. So say this problem was 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7 plus 4 is 11. 5 plus 5 is 10. 11 does not equal 10, so that equation would not be balanced. It would go underneath this frog. So go through, be careful, but look that there's two math problems in each one, and then you're looking to see, is the answer to both math problems the same number or is it different? If it's the same number, that means that it's balanced. If it's a different number, it is not balanced.